Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Google Analytics 4 has an interesting features called modify events. In this video, I will explain what it is and how to benefit from it. Modify events, this one in Google Analytics 4 allow you to modify incoming event. For example, if some hard-coded tracking sends an event with incorrect name, you can fix it directly from the interface of Google Analytics 4. And also I will show you several practical examples where this feature is useful. So let's take a look. Here is a situation. Let's say that I have a website and on it there are several forms that I want to track with Google Analytics 4. And let's imagine that for some reason one of those forms is not getting tracked with Google Tag Manager, but it is tracked with hard-coded Google Analytics 4 setup. So all the form that are tracked with Google Tag Manager, they send the generate lead event, this one. Here you can see generate leads, which is exactly I want. However, that one form with the hard-coded setup, that one is sending the event which name is form submit. Here you can see form submit. And in this case, it is not convenient because I would like to have all form submission under the same generate leads event. So in this case, what I can do is that I can use modify event feature and I can rename all the incoming form start event and change the name of event to generate leads. So let's take a look. How can we do that? First of all, you should go to event section. You will just need to go to admin and click on this event section. You will land here and here you can see modify event. Click on it. Here you should create a new rule that will be looking for form submit event and we will rename it to generate leads. So click on create and here you have to fill several fields. First of all, here you can see modification name. This one is for internal use and it will be displayed in the list of all your modify events rule. So you can name it something like that. As I am going to rename form start to generate lead. So I am naming it form start generate leads. Here you can see matching condition event name equals and here I will put the value. Here you will enter form underscore start. In my case that is all, but in your case you maybe want to add some additional parameters. Here you can do that. You will just need to click on it and here you will be able to set some additional condition that you want. Now let's configure the output. So here you can see modify parameters. So here we want to change the event name from form start to generates lead. So here we will enter generate underscore leads and just click on create. Now let's check in the debug view of Google Analytics 4. Here you can see page loaded with tag assistant and I will submit this form. Here you can see form is submitted. Now let's go to Google Analytics 4. Here you can see debug view. Click on it. Here you see that generate leads event. Click on it. You see that parameters that were tracked together with that event. Click on this page location. Here you can see page URL. That is here. We had submitted the form. So everything looks good because instead of form start, we now see the generate underscore leads. Now go to conversion section. Click here. Here you can see new conversion event. Click on it. Enter here. Generate underscore leads and save it. Here you can see conversion event is created and it is already marked as conversion. Now another example where modify event feature might be useful. For example, go to data string. Here you can see data string. Click on it. Click here. Here you can see enhanced measurement and it is measuring page views, scrolls, outbound clicks and three other events. Let's talk about outbound clicks. This is the demo page and you can see page is connected with tag assistant. So I will click this outbound click and I will see in debug view. Click here and go to debug view. Click on it. So here you can see the name of outbound link click is click, and this name will also appear in reporting. I don't think that name is meaningful for me. I want to see that name with some other in Google Analytics 4. So in this case, you can create new rule for it. Go to event section, click here, and here you can see modify event. Click on it. I will create a new rule. Click on create. Enter the modify name. Here I am entering click to outbound link, and in event name I am entering click because we showed click is appearing in debug view and we want to change it to outbound underscore link. Click on create. So rule is created. Now we will test it. Go to debug view and click on this outbound link. Here you can see outbound link instead of click. So everything looks good here. Just keep in mind sometimes these changes take several minutes to go live. So that is how you can use the modify event feature in your Google Analytics 4. Remember that this does not affect the data that you have collected in the past. This applies only to few events that will be sent after the modification rule is created. Thanks for watching.